Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to translate your PDFs with AI with online free tools. And to do so, it's very easy, so let's get straight into it. Now, the tool that you will be using today is NoteGPT. So you just have to go to Google and then type NoteGPT PDF translator. So it also does PDF summarizing and it does translation too. So it's a really great tool. Click on the first link. It should be notegpt.io, and then here you will just have to upload the file. So I will take this file that is actually in French. It's my class of cybersecurity in French, and I will show you how it gets translated. So it will extract the content, wait for it a few seconds to be done, and then here you can choose the source language. Here I will take it in French and translate it to English. And that's it. You just have to click on the translate button and it will automatically generate another PDF with the translated text. It doesn't translate the images, so be careful about that, but it translates all the text like that. So now I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.